Hey, I am MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey, Sugar Muffins. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a crochet installation using some Yankee twist crochet hair that I got from Amazon. For my foundation braids, I have about 16 small braids going across the front and they're all connected. And then I kind of crisscross those two tails into the cornrows that I have going in the back. I also have an anchor braid going across the nape of my neck. It took me roughly 30 to 45 minutes to braid this foundation. Now I'm just going to take my needle and thread and sew down this braid tail that I have remaining. You can crochet the braid back through some other braids, and I do that sometimes, but today I wanted to sew it down just to make sure that it was completely secure and to keep me from cutting it off when I cut the hair out. I have sadly done that in the past on multiple occasions. All right, so here is a look of one of the bundles of the Yankee Twist hair. I did receive 8 of these bundles in the full package. I already started, but now I'm going to continue crocheting these individual Yankee twists onto my cornrows. This is a very simple process. It didn't take much time at all. As you can see, I intentionally have short, small braids in the front so that I wasn't crocheting so much on all of these tiny braids. With this crochet hair, the Yankee twist strands are very small, so it's important to try to get the strands as close together as possible so that you can get a full look. At the same time, you have to be very strategic as well so that you don't use up all of the hair since it is only 8 packs. In addition to crocheting the hair on the individual braids, I also made sure I crocheted the hair on the connector braid going across. Anywhere that I plan to have a part, like this middle part as well as a side part, that's where I made sure that I had the hair strands super close together. I kind of spread them out in other areas just to conserve the hair. I must say, this is super easy crochet hair to install. Like, it took me no time to install this hair. It might have taken about an hour for my whole head. Okay, so I finished the front section. Now I'm just going to tie it up, get it out the way so that I can work on the back half. Okay, so now I have finished my entire head. As you can see, I wasn't completely too precise with placement of the hair in the back because I knew the front section would just cover most of it anyway, which of course it did. Now, some people would prefer to leave it at this length, but not really my jam. So I'm just going to go ahead and split it in half right in the middle, in that middle part section, and begin cutting it to frame my face. I will suggest to be very careful with the cutting process. Maybe not pull the hair as much as I am because it is very springy hair. So when you pull it, you could be cutting off more than you think you are. As you can see, as I'm cutting, it is getting shorter and shorter because I think I'm pulling on it a little too hard. So just kind of let the curls, fall as they may and then cut them that way. So after all of the cutting, this is the final look, and I am quite pleased with the outcome. I think the curly bob look is super cute. Even though, again, I do feel like I cut off more than I anticipated, but it still came out super cute this way. Let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.